Hey guys, my name is Neel and welcome to Java Zone. In this episode, we're going to be making a practical part on the loops. So, in my previous videos and also on my second video, if you didn't check that out, top right hand corner, I said that I'll be doing a practical video, and here it is. Here it is. And if you could see, I had this Java loops loop the loop part 3, which if you haven't checked it out, check it in the top right hand corner. I don't know which side is the top right hand corner. So yeah, anyways, first open up a notepad as always. Notepad. Okay, so try class if you shouldn't give gaps, and also this should be capital. If loop. Um, Actually, I have a lot of loops to say this time. Editor source from the future. Yeah, just skip the part where I'm typing and skip the part where I complete writing. Okay. So you probably won't say what I'm typing, but here you go. Okay. So I have written an if loop. So here it is. So yeah, that's it. So class if loop, which is the class, publish static one more string asks if 18 is greater than 9, system.out 20. Wait, what? Okay. Let's do a little bit of changing. Yeah. So if 18 is greater than 9, system dot print 18 is greater than 9. So yeah. Um, so since it is correct, it must print 18 is greater than 9. So um, I saved it already. I just came here to explain you. So let's open command prompt. He, yeah. So cd dot e column cd space java cd space java folder. Okay. So now let's type java, which means a Java and compiler, if loop, which is the file name, and dot java. Let's see if there are any errors. Okay, so there's no error. So now let's type java if loop dot java. Oh yeah, sorry, I typed it wrong. Okay. Java if loop. See, 20 is greater than 18. So this is what I said. So 20 is greater than 18. So this is the if loop. So this is how it works. Whee! Why am I playing with this? Wait. Okay. So I did the if loop. Now let's do the if else loop. Click over here. Click on the new. I don't understand this. Yes. Okay. So now let's type class if else. It's rewind time. Okay. So I specified int a is equal to 24. Okay. So if a is lesser than 12, system.out good morning, or else system.out good evening. So it must print good evening because you know 24 is greater than 12. So yeah, let's save it. Control S for saving though. Just saying. Open command prompt, a buddy. Command prompt. Let's type Java if else dot Java. What did I type? Oh god, I typed it wrong. Java if oh god if else loop dot Java. Let's see if we get it. Got it? So now let's type Java if else loop the loop. Good evening. There you go. So according to the if else, you have to type good evening. So here it is. It is finished. So now let's type while loop. Okay. So let's close this. Open Notepad. Oh god. Let's click new class. You know what to do. YouTube rewind. Okay. So we have made the while loop. Present environment, etc. etc. Int I is equals to, this is an equals to not a minus. Um, I don't know why it came like that. So int I is equals to 10. So I value is 10. So while 10 is greater than 0, system dot out dot print then I minus 1. So if you're a bit confused about what's happening, it basically just prints, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. Wait, what was that? Oh yeah, while loop. Java while loop dot Java. Okay. Then I start Java while loop. See, there you go. 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Exactly as we saw in the loop. I've been doing it all. Okay. Okay. So now, um, where is it? Let's click new. Rewind. Okay. So I made a do while loop now. Class do while policy one machine. Okay, so here we wrote int I is equals to 10. Do system error print line I minus minus, while I is greater than 1. So it basically is telling you that, so the, you know what? I want to tell you what it is. Before, if you are not a cheater, and if you're not a suspect, and if you're not an imposter, go to the comments below, type what answer do you think it is, and then, type it up. Type it up in the comments and check if it's correct or not. If it's not correct, just check your skills again, your Java skills. If it's correct, well done. So I have saved it as do while. I have saved it as do while loop. So let's type javac do while loop dot java. Let's see if it works. It works. Let's type java do while loop the loop. Okay. Okay, so I forgot to give a capital letter. Let's type do while. There you go. So as I said, it is 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2. But since I is greater than 2 while, so the while condition was I was greater than 1. So that's the reason it didn't you know repeat 1. So yeah, that's basically it. Okay. So now let's take a new one and do a for loop. Okay. Wait a minute. Have I been saying rewind all the time and rewind is going back instead of going front? Let's do a time lapse. Oh yeah, time lapse is the correct word. Let's do a time lapse. Okay. So the for loop's over. Oh god, my hand's paining. Okay, so the for loop's over. So system down print and hello because I wanted to. Int I, so I specified that there is an I. So int j is equals 10. So I is a value which I didn't give and j is equals 10. So I is equals to 0. I is lesser than is equal to j, I plus plus. So what is telling here is basically I is equals to 0 and this is 10. So it's basically telling to print, 10 unless until, it reaches a 10. So that's it. So now let's open command prompt and, type it up. So it's for loop. So let's type Java for loop dot Java. Let's wait for it. There you go. And let's type Java for loop. Oh yeah. Java for loop. I always miss it. There you go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it printed 0 to 10. And the reason I kept it is to not print and not print line. It printed in this way. Printed in a column way instead of a row. Column row? I'm getting a lot confused. Anyways, so for this video, let's do the final one, which is switch. Okay. So let's minimize this. Let's click work. Let's click new. And let's do a class. Expected. Okay, so we finally written the final program for this episode, which is switch program. So class switch plus one string as. So listen carefully. Int number is equal to 44 and string size. So just keep string. So string size is specifying the sizes that I've written here. So switch number. So quest 29 size is equal to small, case 42, medium, large, extra large, and unknown, default. So since I gave the number here 44, it searches where did I give the number 44, which is large. So the answer must be printed large. But if I give, for example, 21, which not in, any of the cases like small, medium, large, or extra large, it's going to print a default size as unknown. So it's going to print unknown. But since we have kept 44 and it's large, it's going to print size is equals to or column large. Let's try it out. Switch. I know I wrote it wrong. No, it won't find it. I know. Hmm. Nope. Java. Work. Work. Okay. Switch not Java. Come on. Yes. So, Java. Switch. Right. Okay. Let's type switch. Large. There you go. So, just to not get confused, let's give um, 21. Control S. Wait, no, give another. Close it. Control S. Java sp switch dot Java. Okay, let's type Java switch. I am learning from my mistake. Size unknown. There you go, because it's not 21. So yeah, this is how a switch statement works. So I can guess that switch statements have a lot of issues, but this is the practical one, and I hope this give you a little more depth. And if it did, don't forget to subscribe, share, hit the notification bell, and that's all folks for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.